My first six-figure crypto payday, how I made over $100,000 in a single day. A little over 2 years ago, I was living in my parents' basement and wondering what I would do with my life now that I had graduated from college. Then, I found out about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency and decided to take the plunge and invest in this new technology that seemed like it might change the world. It turned out to be the best decision of my life so far, but it wasn't exactly easy or safe at the beginning. I came extremely close to losing $100,000 in just my second week as a crypto investor. Reading up about cryptocurrency. I started reading up on cryptocurrency and found out that it's not like other investments. Cryptocurrency is all based on supply and demand. The more people who want it, the higher the price. If too many people sell their coins, then the price drops to make them more attractive to buyers. What are some tips for buying cryptocurrency? Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile. You should never invest more than you are willing to lose. If you're thinking about buying any cryptocurrency, go to Coinbase first. It's the easiest way to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is the second most popular cryptocurrency. After that, it's best to research your options carefully before making any purchase. Next steps after my first investment. It's been less than 24 hours since my first investment and I've already made over $100,000. Here's what you need to know if you're thinking about taking the plunge too. Things to consider before starting with cryptocurrency investing. It's still too early to know if cryptocurrencies will be the next big thing or just another flash in the pan. But they're currently all the rage, so it's worth exploring these emerging assets and seeing what opportunities they might offer. There are two ways to invest in cryptocurrencies today: by mining them or by purchasing them on an exchange. Mining is difficult and requires expensive equipment that solves math problems to generate coins. This can take years to start generating any cash flow. A few more tips for me on what you can do after your first cryptocurrency trade. The best part about Bitcoin is that you don't have to be an expert. This means that you can buy and sell Bitcoins with just a few clicks of the mouse. Remember, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Final thoughts. There's been a lot of buzz about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency lately. I'm not here to talk about the future of the market or the investment potential for long-term crypto enthusiasts. Instead, this video is for those who want to make some quick money in their spare time without much effort.